Hello. One-seater hi-flux travel single light and one-piece sun weather. One-piece user manual and two-piece C-shape bracket and one back screw and tool for installation. Okay. Place the user tool, fix the screw. Screw 1, screw 2, and screw 3, and screw 4. Then the sun weather is so weird. Please turn off the traffic light. And take off the screw. And insert the screw in the middle hole of the traffic light. And add in nuts and fix it. Fasten it. Okay, the one side the bracket is so weird. Traffic single light wire goes through the bracket first. Next, the single light wire goes through the middle hole of the traffic light. And add in the traffic light also, and add in nut and fix it. Bracket this inside also insert screw. Insert the screw in the hole of the light port. Add in nut. And screw. This fix it. Okay, this side the bracket is so weird. Connect the black light with the black wire. Black light with the public light. And green light connect with the green. Connect your wires and turn off the light. Now the single traffic light is still wire on the light port. Okay, traffic light connect with the power supply already. Please turn on the switch, traffic light will on. And turn off, traffic light will off. Okay.